Choose screws that match your hinge holes and the door frame material to ensure hinge reinforcement holds under stress. For standard interior doors, use 2 to 2.5 inch wood or multi-purpose screws that reach the wall stud or the solid jamb behind the trim. This length pulls the hinge into structural wood rather than just the thin jamb facing. Select a screw diameter that closely fills the hinge hole so the screw threads bite without splitting the wood. If the hole is large, use a slightly thicker screw, and if the hole is tight, start with a pilot hole sized to the screw root to avoid splitting. Prefer screws with coarse threads for softwoods and fine threads for hardwoods to maximize holding power, and choose full-length threads on the portion that passes through the jamb when you need continuous bite. For exterior or humid locations, pick corrosion-resistant finishes such as stainless steel or coated steel to prevent rust that weakens the screw over time. If aesthetics matter, match the head style to existing hinges like flathead for countersinking. When reinforcing a sagging door, replace the top hinge screws with long screws first because the top hinge typically carries the most load, then check alignment and adjust strike plate as needed to avoid binding. If using specialty hinge screws that have wider threads or a shoulder for better pull-out resistance, follow manufacturer instructions for driver bit and torque to prevent stripping. Common mistakes include using screws that are too short, which only engage the thin jamb and fail under load. Fix this by always drilling to a depth that reaches the stud or by using 2 to 2.5 inch screws so the threads bite the structural wood. Another issue is choosing the wrong thread type, which can split the wood or strip out over time. Solve that by matching coarse threads to softwood, fine threads to hardwood, and drilling a proper pilot hole when necessary. A third frequent problem is corrosion on exterior doors that weakens fasteners and stains the finish. Remedy this by selecting stainless steel or appropriately coated screws and replacing any rusty fasteners immediately. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides resources for choosing the right hardware for tasks like hinge reinforcement. We list contractor profiles and host a discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips and experiences to help homeowners and contractors find work and practical advice.